Hello my dear students. Today we are going to learn about some of the animals have hair, horns, spines and whiskers on their body. Some of the animals have hairs on their body. This hair help them to protect from different climatic conditions. The animals like cat, dog, bear, polar bear, yak, goat, sheep, etc. are some of the examples for the animals have hair on their body. This hair help them to protect from different climatic conditions. There are some animals have horns on their body. Actually, these horns are the modification of hairs. Horns help them to protect from enemies. The animals like goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, rhinoceros, deer, etc. are some of the examples for the animals have horns. Do you know this animal? Its name is porcupine. It has spines on its body to protect from the enemies. Some of the animals have whiskers in its body. Rabbit, cat, lion, tiger, etc. are some of the examples. Actually, these whiskers help these animals to feel the vibrations in the air. This helps them to identify their enemies and catch their prey. There are some of the animals which have an outer covering on their body. This outer covering is called exoskeleton. Tortoise and crocodile are examples. Do you know what is marsupials? The animals have pouch on its body are called marsupials. Kangaroo has a pouch on its body and it gives birth to young one in the pouch. Young one is called joy. Thank you.